Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about some Dollar General drama. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a bunch of videos for you all this week, plus some from last week that are still valid for this week. So if you have missed out on any of the videos that are scrolling across your screen right now, please go back and check them out and watch them and see what they're all about. Maybe you're missing out on some really good deals. You never know until you go and watch the videos. Plus, I've been working my tail off the past few weeks to put out a bunch of videos for you guys. So if you could help your girl out, go back, watch those videos. I'm going to have every single one of them linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. And also, make sure that y'all have your notifications turned on and set them to all. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals, because you just never know what's going to pop up the next day. So, turn on those notification bells and set them to all. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in and talk about some Dollar General drama. So, if you all have not noticed, over the last week and a half, rumors have really ramped up about a Dollar General clearance event that is supposed to be happening this Friday through Sunday. So, starting on the 27th through the 29th. However, I'm making this video on Wednesday. If I don't hear anything by tonight, I'm going to drop this video on Thursday, and that is when you guys will be able to watch it. So since you guys are watching this video, I'm going to go ahead and say that it's a safe bet to say that there will not be a Dollar General clearance event January the 27th through the 29th. I repeat, there will not be a Dollar General clearance event this weekend, January the 27th through the 29th. So do not go into your Dollar General stores and complain to your employees that you saw it online, it's been confirmed, it's online, why aren't they having a clearance event? Because the Dollar General sends out memos to their employees, okay? And that memo has not been sent out. Now, over the last week and a half or so, several of you guys have been sending me in links to videos, screenshots from Facebook and Instagram. So I'm pretty sure that I'm seeing the same things that a lot of you guys have saw. And I can understand why a lot of people think that there's going to be a clearance event. I have literally heard people say that it has been confirmed. People are putting that it is confirmed in their post. Unfortunately, that's just not the case. Now, my original theory as to where all of this gossip and rumors and confirmations came from was, I think that a lot of people were going off of last year's clearance event dates. And you really just can't do that, especially with clearance events. Now, you can use the last year's clearance event dates as kind of like a guide to when Dollar General might have a clearance event this year, but typically those dates do change every year. Whether we might have one or two that will hit on the same exact dates or the same exact time of the month. Yes, that is true. We've had that happen, but we've also had Dollar General skip clearance events entirely. So we thought that there were going to be a clearance event that month, and it just didn't happen. So you really just have to wait and see when that memo comes out and when you have confirmation from a trusted, reliable source. Now, hopefully you guys think that I'm one of your trusted and reliable sources. Me personally, I think that I've kind of been around long enough, especially when it comes to Dollar General clearance events. I think that I've kind of proven myself, but that's okay. If not, either way, as soon as I get my eyes on that memo and I have confirmation that there will be a clearance event, you guys are still going to be the first to know. Now, hopefully a few of the YouTubers, Instagrammers, and Facebookers learned their lesson this time around. And I will say, I can't see that somebody would just like intentionally put out fake information. I mean, that would be clickbaiting you all, and that could be the case as well. But it could also be that they had an employee giving them bad information. They have a best friend that saw the memo and it's been confirmed, or they could have, like I said, just been going off of last year's clearance event dates. And, you know, I think that with a lot of the new YouTubers or the smaller channels or the new social media people over on Instagram and Facebook, I think that with some of them, it's like, I have to be the first one to get that information out. That way I get all the clicks and the views, and I make a little bit of money, and I grow, my social media platform. And I can definitely see where they're coming from on that part. However, if some people go out to Dollar General this weekend and there's not going to be a clearance event, here they are, they've wasted their gas and their time, and, they might have, really prepared and went and scoped out their stores and all of that good stuff. They're probably going to be a little bit upset, and they might come back and unfollow you or unsubscribe or whatever the case may be. And that's what I'm kind of worried about. I don't want people to be running out to Dollar General this weekend expecting that there's going to be a clearance event. So there's a couple of things that I want you all to take away from this video. Number one being that there will not be a Dollar General clearance event this weekend. And number two, I will ask you all if you did comment under other people's videos, if you put that information out anywhere that it has been confirmed that there will be a Dollar General clearance event this weekend, please go back and correct that information, because clearly if Dollar General hasn't put out a memo by now, it is not going to be happening. And another thing that y'all can do to help out is to click on the share button, which is right down below this video. And you can share this video in a text message, an email. You can share it to your friends on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you want to share it. Share it out. That way we can get the word out that there will not be a Dollar General clearance event this weekend. Now, if Dollar General does pull a wild card out, which I do not see that happening, but if it does, I will bust my butt to get everything ready for you all and to have coupon matchups and all of that fun stuff ready to go. However, I just really don't see that happening at this point. And again, I really just don't want to see people out there wasting their gas money and going to Dollar General this weekend thinking that they're going to a Dollar General clearance event. So it's very important that we spread the word that there will not be a clearance event this weekend. Now, another thing that y'all can do is to do your homework. Whenever these rumors start swirling about DG clearance events, just do your homework. Don't put your faith all in one person. Now, for me personally, I know of about 3 or 4 YouTubers who cover the Dollar General clearance events who actually get the memos. And typically, when those memos drop, we are all putting out videos around the same time. So just find those trusted and reliable people, and over time, you will be able to tell who actually gets the memos and the information and who does not. Now, when it comes to like the actual items that are included in the clearance events, I will say that sometimes we do get lists of items that are included. Sometimes we do not. So when it comes down to that, I would say watch all of the videos that you can to find out what is going to be included, because in different parts of the country, we all have different things in our clearance section. So you're always going to get new information from those videos where they cover items in their clearance section. Now, another thing that I'm going to recommend that you all do is to please watch the videos all the way through, especially when you're watching my videos. I cram a lot of really awesome, accurate information into about 10-minute videos. Okay, so there's a lot of information in my videos, and it's really easy to skip over information if you're just skipping through the videos. And in fact, over the last couple of weeks, since we've had this big, lead up to the Christmas clearance 25-cent sale, I put in a lot of time and a lot of effort into making those Christmas clearance visual videos. And I'm pretty shocked at some of the people that I'm seeing leave comments that are obviously not watching the videos all the way through. And I'm talking about things that are like excluded that I mentioned multiple times. We talked about the gift sets multiple times. And whenever you guys leave comments like that, it is a dead giveaway that you all did not watch the videos all the way through. You're obviously skipping through and you're missing out on information. Good information, important information. So just please watch the videos all the way through. That way you have everything that you need to know. And I'm sure some of you guys have heard of this old saying, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make them drink. So that's kind of what's happening here with some people, not all of yous. I'm by no means am I like jumping on to you all or anything like that. I've just noticed a few people that are not watching the videos all the way through. So I'm just going to ask you guys, watch them all the way through. That way you have all the information. It's just 10 minutes. I keep these videos short, sweet, and simple for that reason. That way you guys will watch it all the way through and have all the information that you need. And another thing that you guys need to make sure that you are doing is turn on your notifications and set them to all. And then once that notification pops up, make sure that you take time out of your day to go ahead and watch that video, because as soon as I get that information, that confirmation, as soon as I set my eyes on that memo for clearance events, for penny list, for any kind of DG information, you guys will be the first to know. Now, like I said in a previous video, this is kind of like clearance season. So we will definitely be having clearance events over the next next few months at Dollar General. So if you've never been to one, or if you just kind of want a little refresher course, I have an amazing video where I go over everything that you need to know for the Dollar General clearance events. So I will have that linked for you all in the pinned comment down below, and I also have a clearance event playlist. So if you guys want to check out that, I will link that one down there in the pinned comment for you as well. Alright guys, so there you have it for our little bit of Dollar General drama for this week. And hopefully I was able to clear a couple things up for you all. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications. That way, when I do get any news from Dollar General, you guys will be the first to know. And also, if you could, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. It only takes a second and it really does help me out tremendously. So if you could do those two things and then also help me get the word out, click that share button right down below this video and share this video out to all of your friends. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next one.